Okay, in that case, like I will tell you today, like the baseline. Okay. So we have autofill option here also. Okay, but yeah. So when you drag like that, you can see the row numbers. Now what you can do means like you can just delete the unnecessary things. Okay, now like what I'm going to do means like I'm going to have 10 columns for each day. Okay, so duration I will put to 1 day. Okay, that also I will put fill down. Okay, since it's a manual schedule, so start and end dates washed out. So I can put to auto schedule and you can see the dates. And as usual, you can go and see the summary task. Okay, now like we are going to link it. So then we can directly link like this. This is unlink, then this is link. Okay, so one after another. Since auto schedule now, it's automatically scheduled. So if you're changing the data here or something like that, so automatically like it will be scheduled based on that. Then like we used to go for critical and all. Okay. Now since everything one after another, each day one column will be completed. Okay, so that like it's correct. Everything will be critical. You should not delay each one of the activity. So each column should complete on the particular day. Okay. Now like what we can do means like we need to create resources to it. Okay, though we used to go here and you need to create, right? The other way you can directly type here also, it will be created. So for example, I am just creating like this also. So which means like when you're typing like that also, here it will be created, but like the cost and all you need to come and put here. So in MS project you can do this kind of simple things also, then later you can come and modify here. So column it's not work, I will consider as a material resource. Okay, then click OK. Since we are changing the thing, so that like overtime rate and all, it will go away. Cost per use, it will come. That is like normal everywhere. It will get. It will be coming. So standard rate like column. So my intention is to have. So actually, like we are going to put units now. So then like $100. I want to consider as a one column $100. Okay, but like here, like when you're assigning, like we will see how it will be. Okay, like which means like each column $100. Okay, so now I am going to drag like this. So okay, like totally 10 columns, $1,000. Okay, so time we considered, cost we considered. Once we consider time and cost, then we can go for baseline. Until now, you are okay with it, right? Now, for this example, for easy understanding, I'm just considering only column, which is considered as a material, and each column cost you 100. So I'm ensuring it. So the total cost of this project, 10 days, 10 column project, $1,000. Okay. Okay. Now everything like once you completed, then we need to go for baseline. Without resources, without checking all this, you should not go for baseline. Okay. Now you can go to project and you can see the project information. And here like you have standard calendar and the current date and the start date, everything it will come. Statistics. When you click statistics, you can see these things. See the cost and all. Here also you can see the baseline and all. Once we applied the baseline, then when you're coming here, you can see the modifications here. Now we don't have baseline, that's why not available. Even actuals also not there. This you can get from project information statistics. So since it's not available, so once we created, it will be updated. So till now you are okay with, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then like we are going to set a baseline. So here in the project menu itself, set baseline. We can clear the baselines also. Set baseline. When you are going for the set baseline, you can either choose from here. So in Primavera, like we can create infinite baselines, but in MS project only 11 baseline. See baseline and then 10 baseline. Total 11 only we can create it. So this is restricted. Actually, for a good project, you should avoid multiple baselines. See, if you keep on changing the duration and cost, then the project will not be successful. So initially you started for $1,000, then again like 1,200, again 1,800. So you keep on changing the thing and you are keep on putting the baselines. It's not going to help you with your project to be successful. That's why it's enough. Like 11 baselines, it's more than enough. Okay, that's why they restricted here. But in Primavera Unlimited we can create. But whatever it is, only few we can compare with. Otherwise we will get confusions. So baseline is something like we're fixing the time and cost, and once you put the actuals, like we will get the differences and the slack. For that only, like we are fixing the baseline. Okay, now I will put this and click OK. I am going to choose entire project, not particular task, which means if you're putting this here, only one selected, only one task will be considered for this baseline. Okay, you need to set the baseline, not interim plan. That is different totally. So set baseline and you need to choose the baseline and entire project and click OK. Nothing more than that. So now we have baseline. Now that we can ensure from the project information, statistics. Now can you see baseline updated, start and finish? We are fixing the same dates, na? That's why it is coming. So it will not change. Actuals, it will keep on changing based on the actuals. And variance and all, it will come. If it is negative, negative, or positive. Okay, but how to make it visible in the Gantt chart? So if you want to make it visible in the Gantt chart, okay, either you can go to Format tab and you can able to choose from here. This is see, now you can able to see the baseline, that gray color one, which is coming below the critical bars, which means like the task na, that is baseline. You can see that, right? Like it's visible, gray color. So the gray color, it will not change. So the red color one only, it will keep on changing based on the actual inputs. And we can also have slip pages. Now it will not show because it is not slipping. Once we update, then only we can see the slip pages. That also you can select the baseline. Okay, I was telling slack now, it's not slack, it's a slip page. That the term is slip page. Slack in the sense like a float, total float, free float. Okay, that is different. That is without baseline also we will be getting. Okay, based on the relationships. So here baseline means slip page we will see from here. So very simple. Now like we can keep on applying the actuals. Okay, so what we can do means here we have 100 percentage, 75 percentage, 50, 25 like that. But normally it will not be like this. Anywhere 33 and all, like how you will put. So then you can go to information and where you can able to put. So this is applying the actuals. So here you can able to put the percentage, either 23.5 or 35, 38, whatever percentage. You don't know how to get this percentage. Like you need to get the data from the site people and site measurement book and all. Then like you can compute the percentage complete. Okay. This is actual, applying actual in the sense like either you can choose here or you can choose here. Okay. Like here also we have some option, mark and track and all. So these are all like for the actual. This is supposed to do only after baseline. Okay. So this we will see later. No need to confuse. Now, I will ask you few questions. Okay, after 5 days, which means okay, at the end of the 17th Friday. So how many columns should be completed? After 5 days, how many columns should be completed as per our baseline or as per our planning?
5.
But
Five.
yeah, they completed only three. How you can put? They completed three, na? So completed means like you can directly put 100%. No need to worry. When you put 100%, you can see the tick mark coming. This is an indicator. Okay, which means it's completed. And here also 100. The third one also 100. So totally, you can see the blue color. Since it's completed, it's no more a critical. Okay, that's why it changed to blue color. Either from here or from the tick mark, we can consider we completed the task. Okay, but how to update these two not completed? So you should not put any percentage here because they not even started. But this status, when we are updating, see now we applied is the status. Okay, then it is a kind of status date. Okay, then we need to go to project, then you need to update the status date. By default, status date will be non-available. Okay, but I told you na, so here you need to put the 17th Friday. So 17 you choose and then click OK. Just a second. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Actually, after putting baseline, if anything you are changing here also, it will be updated directly if you're trying to change some days or some duration here. Okay, so something like that also we can do that. Okay, but I was trying to tell you any auto updation method. Okay, in Primavera and all it will be automatically updated, but here it's supposed to push away. So these two it will go here, and then the totally you should have slippages. Okay, since it's MS project, like either you can choose the date from here, which means like these dates, like it's supposed to be 20. So we said like only three columns completed till 17. Okay, in that case also it will go away if you are putting like that. Okay, but wait a minute, we will see the auto methods. Okay, when we are going for update task, okay, in this also you can able to put the percentage. Okay, for whatever you selected for the particular row, you can able to put this. That is update task. Okay, actual duration and all you can able to put it. That is different. Okay, so here you have mark and track in the sense it's almost like similar to the what we did already 100 percentage. Okay, now we will see the update project option. Okay, when you click update project, you can see update work as complete throw. Set 0% to 100% complete and all. Entire project selected task like this we have. Okay, update work as complete throw, which means like after putting status date, you can able to see this date here. Then when you click OK, which means like it's updating completely. But in our case, we are putting fourth and fifth not completed. So that is also like it's completing because like where we are selecting either 0 to 100 percentage. Okay, this way like you can able to update it, but like we need to remove it that. So I can go here and I can make this 0 0. Okay. So we have calendar and all that. No need to worry. Standard calendar it have taken. Okay. This is completely moving the project. Like you can also move the whole project. Okay. Start and end dates. That is different. Since we have baseline, we should not move now. Okay. Now we completed a baseline and we assigned the baseline. Everything we did. Okay. Now only thing like here you can able to. Okay. Then like we can able to put here like 20. Okay. Okay, now it is telling with move the task to start and remove the link. Okay, it is just coming like that. Okay, okay, this is like actual start and finish. Okay, but we can also have columns like insert column. Okay, baseline start, and baseline finish. Okay, so it's in alphabetical order. So start and finish. Okay, so the third and all like we can able to choose from 20. Oh, it is completely like changing the baseline. Okay, so that is also wrong. Wait a minute. Control Z it will work in MS project. Okay, just put here itself. But it's moving away, no? So we are getting constraints, which is also not correct. So it's supposed to go automatically. I will tell you how to update it. Okay, so once you got this small logics, then the same you can apply for the whole projects. Just a second. But when you are putting like that, like you are getting constraint and you can see the slip pages, but that is manually we are putting in the big projects and all, it might be not possible, na? So I will tell you how to make it automatically as per the applied data. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so there, I was telling now, so this way, like it's manually and we are getting constraints. Okay, we will go to the project itself. Update project only, but here reschedule uncompleted work. So this you need to consider reschedule uncompleted work. But before we just did with the default option. That's why the entire project. This is the automatic way. See, still you are getting constrained. So the same way, no need to worry since it's MS project. So everything so you need to just do from here only. See, it's going automatically, but still like we are getting the constraints. Okay, so start no earlier than that is like update project, but you can able to see the slip pages because of the baseline. So got the concept now. The tools here is simple, so that's why either we can manually do that and baseline start baseline finish like it's you should not change it like whatever we have we can able to compare with these columns. See, actually it's supposed to call start from 16 but it is like 20, so that comparison like for reports and all you can have these columns. Okay, otherwise like you can hide it. So here there is no hide option, but we have, yeah, hide, which means like we can't delete the column, we can hide it. Okay, only that we can able to do that. Control Z also it will be working in MS project. Okay, now you understood now baseline why we are doing. So this is very important to study the S curves and all, and you can see the slip pages that because of here like I was putting, otherwise it will not come. So it will not show the slip page. Okay. Okay, I can have column 10 columns. Okay. Okay, I will try to save this and I will tell you the earned value analysis also. So until now you're okay with it, right? The same concept you should apply for any project. So now whatever we updated for your own projects, you should update correctly and you need to do that. Okay. Now like we are not putting any actuals for the cost. Even we also have the actual cost concern. So then it will be different. So we are considering only cost as of now, but we can also go for actual cost. See, actual cost 300, it's automatically taken, but either you can able to put your own value as per the site, maybe 90 or 120 or whatever it is. Then accordingly, we can able to see the earned value analysis. So if you're okay with, until now, we can go to the other thing. There is some table option where we can see the earned values. Earned value in the sense like we're going to study the project for time and cost performance index, schedule performance index, we will study. That is very important in project management. Okay. So you're supposed to go to view menu. In this view menu, like you need to go to tables. In tables, we are in entry table. This is by default entry table. So what you need to do means like either you can choose from here or more tables. More tables you need to click. Then like you can go for end value, cost indicator, schedule. Separately we are getting, but all together cost and time both it will come here. Earned value, click OK, apply. Now you can see this is like not entry table. This is like earned value analysis table where you can see the planned value, earned value, actual cost, schedule variance, cost variance, all this estimated completion, baseline cost. This is like variance at completion. No need to worry. Planned value, earned value, actual cost. That you need to know what is that. Are you people aware of these things before? Hello.
Yeah, yeah, these things we know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the planned value, in the sense what actually it is, like we planned 5 days now, 5 days completed. So how many columns should be completed? 5 columns. So that is why 500 planned value. But earned value in the sense only three columns completed. That's why 300. 300 is the earned value. But actual cost I was telling now, either it is 90 or 120. Based on that, it will update. But we can't able to put anything here. So you can't able to put anything. So only you need to go back to the entry table and where you can put it. Now based on this itself, like variance and all we have. Okay, now like what we can do, CPI I will put the cost performance index and the SPA, schedule performance index. This is both very important for any project. Can you see like schedule wise, like we are lagging behind. See, but cost wise, why one? Because like same when planned value, when actual cost and earned value same, then it will be one. So you should always like concentrated. You should always concentrate on maintaining equal to one or more than one or around 1.95, 0.96. Then it's a good successful project. Actually, like we are lagging behind. So now I will go back to the thing and I will change the actual cost. Then we need to come back here. So click here and entry table. Okay, now I will put actual cost is 200. So they are actually spending twice the money. For example, you can put whatever the actuals. Okay, now like I will go back. So here also it will change. That doesn't matter. Don't worry. So we have separate columns to take those things into consideration. Now like we can more table and end value and apply. Now can you see the CPA also zero point 0.5, which means like they're spending twice the money. That's why here it was reducing to zero point 0.5, which is not good. They are spending double the money and they're also like lagging behind. Time and cost wise, this 10 columns project is unsuccessful. We can come to a conclusion. Got it. Like only don't no need to worry about all these things. These are all coming based on the formula. If you want to see the formula, you can see here. See CV equal to BCWP minus ACWP. And you can consider these things. So no need to worry. You have the formula when you're keeping your mouse there. Only concentration is to maintain around one value. If it is CPA and SPA, if it is around one, then it's a successful project. So this concept, like you can able to apply for any project hereafter. Okay, this is the right way.
Yeah, I understood. I have only one doubt only.
Yeah.
That percentage completion ways we can check based on the duration, otherwise weightage of cost.
No, no, weightage of cost means it will not come correct. You need to consider the due. Actually, like it's up to you. See, sometimes you can consider the cost basis. No,
Yeah,
some activities we can consider the duration, right?
yeah, exactly, exactly.
So better, like it depends on the task. Either you can consider time-wise completion or cost-wise completion, but both should be registered. See, if you are putting the cost also, then how much percentage you will put? You may be putting 100 percentage, but you may be reducing the start and end dates. So still, like both time and cost should be registered. That's our concern.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
So it will be percentage. It will be depends upon it will come both there based on the duration cost. It will be combined
Both
both.
you need to put. Otherwise, like here, see here you will not get na.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
For end value, both time and cost is important.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I hope like I make it simple so that like you will not forget the concepts. Okay. Okay, so I can go back to the entry table. So since it's a file-based program, we need to save it again and again. Otherwise, like it will go away. Then entry table, you can click it. Where is this? Yeah. Okay, so I was putting update, auto updation. Okay, from project, update project, and I was choosing the reschedule uncompleted. Okay, this is a scheduling kind of thing. Okay, but manually also you can do it based on here. Different dates if it is starting, but for everything you must have a baseline. If you don't have baseline, you will not get the CPA SPA end value completely. You will not get everywhere. It will be zero only. Okay, completely. If you want to study the end value concept of our project, that is very important, a crucial thing in any project management. Then you must have a baseline. Now you understood now what is mean baseline. So we are fixing the time and cost, and as per the actual we are getting the variances. Okay. So all of you also okay with this concept, na? So another 7 minutes there for this first session. So in between, you can practice the same thing also separately, separate file. Then you will get confident. Then you can apply the same for your project. It's up to you. You can practice with your own things also. Then tell me. Then only you will get some doubts or something. Then I can clear you as well. Okay, this is very important. This is what the whole MS project baseline and what we seen today is like where we supposed to concentrate more in MS project. So I was telling the workflow, no, in the workflow, like we almost came to earned value analysis. Then only reports. So we can say almost completed. Then the so many things there to discuss that I will tell you. But this is what essential. Like you can say anyone that if you know these concepts, whatever we learn until now. So extra things and all touch up works. Okay. So all of you okay with this, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay then. So 5 more minutes there. So we can make use of this 5 minutes and later, like after 10 minutes, we can continue again.
After we will continue.
What happened?
Sir, today the 1 o'clock lunchtime now, so here the people will go the lunchtime. That's right.
Okay. So when is our next session?
2 o'clock.
Ah, okay. No issues.
Okay. Hari, and I have one more doubt, small doubt only. Actually, currently we have the ongoing work. That means some one portland, that means structural activity only. That is a 2 year project. The initial time we prepared based on the section wise like that. Now the actual site condition, different section we are doing. So that means now just you shown on the baseline, start baseline, finish. You need to fix it, and actual start, actual finish. We need to track it out.
Yeah.
So like it only we are going right now. So that the comparison and the percentage we need to show the client. So that's what I'm getting worry about the show the
Oh,
things.
you want to show the percentage, right? Then you can go to
Yeah.
tracking Gantt. See, we can go here to tracking Gantt. So go to task. Okay. So here,
Okay.
like we have Gantt, but we also have tracking Gantt. So these are all different windows. So where you can see the percentage. This is what you mean, or
Yeah.
yeah, we have separate window. Directly you can print and show it to your clients.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So from Gantt chart, like you can go to tracking Gantt. Okay. So all these different
For the
windows.
for the overall percentage also same way we can check it now.
Ah, yeah. See, it is like without any WBS. If you have WBS under, like you can just go to view and you can put the entire project. Everything will be clearly visible, and you can have your own columns. Whatever columns you
Yeah.
want, separately you can hide. Then you can print and you can give it to your client as PDF or whatever the way you want.
Sure. Thank you.
How to print?
Okay, I can go back to Gantt chart. Okay, so this task usage and all different windows. Okay, since it's not a work basis, na material basis we consider. That's why like it's 0 hours. So we consider only material, still we are getting time and cost. So you should not confuse work with cost and all. Okay, this it will be updated only if you have work resource. If you for material resource, it will not be considered. See, we consider one column per day. That's why one. So the cost also coming 100. Okay. So I can go back to the Gantt chart. So keep on saving. Okay. That is like normal. So no other go since it's not a database. So now you can combine all those what we learned before to understand. See, you can also have your own types. So I was telling Nas to insert a column, then we can go for type. So this last class we seen na fixed unit, fixed duration and all. But you should have all this like before baseline. After baseline, you should not change it. If you're changing also accordingly, it will be updated. No, nothing, no need to worry. And also like you can have a column for effort driven. Yes or not. So all this like from here you can do. No need to click information. Once you complete it, then you can hide it. So this kind of having multiple columns also, it's fine with. So now you are okay with the MS Project interface, na? So you should get you should gain lots of confidence with whatever we seen until now. So it's not a very difficult program, but only the task it will be difficult. The deliverables, na, the how you are linking with each other. It will be little bit confusing, but you know the concepts well, then no need to worry about anything. So you can avoid the mistakes. The if you're following this right steps and the workflow. Okay, then like I will close this. Like we will continue then in the 2 p.m. Okay. Okay, just open the previous the file, the same columns file. Okay. Okay. Now like after this, like we can also see the statistics. See now like you can go to project and project information, statistics. Now can you see even the actual also updated, but actual finish it was not like showing because we not completed the project. And now you can see actual remaining and also the different cost related things. And you can also see the duration percentage complete, work percentage complete, all here you can see. Okay. Okay, now like if I want to save this start and finish, see now we also have baseline start, baseline finish dates. Nah? That is like what we have baseline. That's why the baseline it's fixed here. Okay. Now like I want to save this start and finish to some start one and finish one. So how you can do that? So baseline we have na. So now what we can do means like I can hide it. Mm, okay, now I can go to insert column and I can go for start one. So here we have start one and then another finish one. Okay, now it is not available. Why? Because like we didn't save anything to that one. So how to save if anything like this? If you want to save separately, okay, that's what interim plan. So here set baseline. Go to set baseline, and now like we are not going for baseline. So we already like created like this like 11 baselines can be created, and we can also go for 11 interim plans. Okay. So now like we can able to copy the schedule to start and finish to start one and finish one. Okay, so which means like this one schedule to start finish in the sense. So entire project, not only for few activities. Then you can go for selected task. Okay, if you're selecting this, then like only for the particular task we can able to do. Okay, so entire project, then we can able to click OK. And these options only possible for the baseline, not for the interim plans. Okay, we can also see the summary task. Okay, roll up baselines. So when you are just rolling up, like if you want to show that, so here it will be showing. Okay, otherwise it will not show. Now we are concentrating on the interim plans. Okay, entire project selected, scheduled start or finish to start one, finish one. Click OK. Now can you see it's just saved it. So like this, like we can have different dates and we can able to compare with. That's why. Okay, again start to finish to if you are just doing another dates after like this. Now we just copied the same column here, but if you're changing, this we can able to compare with. So by default, we have baseline that we can able to see from the Gantt chart, or we can also select the columns here. But apart from that, if you want to see what is going on before, what are all the dates? So then you can do this way only. Interim plans is what it is. Okay. Now like we can able to just modify the actuals. Then another way you can also like put the actuals how. Okay, so I told you in a table in that view. Okay, so we have a schedule like this. We have many things. Okay, so in that like cost also we have. So cost related things it will come. Okay, so then work also it will be coming. Okay, work related things. But now we don't have work resources. Otherwise, like we can use this also. Okay, so summary like that it is coming. Schedule is what like by default we have. Okay, entry table is what we have, but schedule also we can able to get. Okay, late start, late finish and all it is showing. Okay, so this is something related to the total float, free float. So no need to like create our own things. Like either you can choose this table. See if you want float related things, then you can go for schedule. Okay, then tracking also we have. Okay, this tracking was like we can use it. So here you can put the percentage completion. So this way also easily you can update the percentage completion. So today we have seen lots of things how to update the actuals. So in this table, which means like you need to go to tracking. Okay, where you can put the percentage complete and we can also put the actual start finish. Everything also here it will be reflecting. So these different tables like you can able to like work with whenever it's needed. Okay, I will go back to the entry table. That is what by default we have. Otherwise, like we can also take the percentage complete here. No need to worry about the tables. So when you put the percentage, like you can able to put the percentage complete. Why not? So here you can customize the column with the entry table itself. No need to worry by going different tables. Okay. Maybe this is what you were asking for. Before I was showing directly in the Gantt chart. Even in that it was automatically coming. See here it is automatically coming. But like in the Gantt chart itself, we also taken that column. But here in the Gantt chart also coming. Tracking Gantt. That is tracking Gantt. Okay. So now you understood the whole concept of baseline and interim plans, right? And I was telling now when you were clicking now the baseline it was not showing because we didn't select that option. When you are just rolling up, it is not showing. So when you go here, the set baseline, okay, which means like selected task, then only it will show. Only those it will be showing. Okay, it's not needed anyway. These are all unnecessary. So do you have any doubts till now, like whatever we've seen? So we did interim plans, then I am saving it. Okay. So any changes you are making, you need to save it. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
So what is the difference between baseline one and a start one? Both are same, right?
No, which means like, see, now like baseline dates were different. See, here I can able to like insert baseline. So that is like baseline start finish. Baseline start and the baseline finish. See, that is like a fixed one. Like after we did something, na. So now we need to just, if you want, like you can copy. Otherwise, not needed. See, you can see here, like it was 20, na. The 20 we copied to start one also. But actually, by baseline having 16. So why we
I
are having
see.
start one, finish one? Yes, yes. Tell me.
Okay, sir, continue.
Yeah, which means like then like you are going to update again. So for example, maybe now like if you are just going to uh 22. Now you can understand now it's not changing here only for this. Then you can able to compare the dates. See, even after baseline, something like happened. So that's why start one, finish one we copied. Now because of this, again it's getting delayed. So already delayed 16 to 20, and then now it becomes 22, 20 to 22. So for that comparison reporting purpose, like we are doing the interim plans. Actually, that inputs also in the book and all, like you can't able to get. So even in the help content, you will find it difficult to understand the interim plans. Now this is what the simplest way. You understand, right? Now, got it?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. Actually, this is a very basic example, so you will not forget the foundation strongly, like you will be having. That's why I'm telling. Otherwise, like I can have multiple WBS and multiple activity, multiple duration, different relationships. Then, like you can able to have different resources. You can have a work resource, material, cost resource like that. Then we can also go for baseline. Then you can update the actuals, then also same procedure. In that case, like you will feel complicated, but if you're doing any mistake, then here the dates and all will be mistake, and if you're doing any mistake, then the cost and all will be mistake. So everything you need to carefully handle. Okay, here I was directly putting the because we have only one na, so that's why I was putting cost directly. If you are not doing so, then you need to go to here. So go to the task usage, and you can able to see work here. Okay, but you can also go like cost. Okay, when you put a format cost, then you can update the actual cost. So actually here this is like cost only. Okay, then we can also go for actual cost. Now you understood, like actual cost you can update separately. So this way you need to update the actuals. So all this you can use. Go to task usage and then go to format. Then you can able to just put maybe for this column 90, for this column 120. You got the point. Now we fix it for 100, but maybe 90, 120, 150, it depends, or 200, whatever it is. So separately you can put. The same way you can also just put for actual work. But work we don't have here actually. Okay. The order also, like you can able to select the way you want. First work alone we have, then actual work, then cost alone we have, then actual cost. Then whatever the way you are clicking, the same way you here you will get, to avoid confusion. So these things, like you can make use of to just to do the things properly. You got the point. Now even in the work now you need to put the man hours. Actual work supposed to be 8 na, so maybe he working for 10 hours, 11 hours. Then you need to put 11 here. So here by default 8. So that based on this, like the end value calculations will be done. You got the point now. This is how, like you can update the actuals for work and cost from task usage. I was getting for this format and all. Okay, then I will go back to the Gantt chart. This is normal. So like this, like you can able to work with different windows or different tables to get the work done. So are you clear with all these things? All of you, like Nitin, Nihal, Vigneshwaran, Jaiprakash.
Yeah. So, our end is okay, Hari.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, like that project information and all, that is only for baseline. Okay. So, and you can able to see all those things. It's updated here again. Okay, 30% only completed. This it will show only full completion after full completion of the project. Okay. Okay, so now like we will see how to customize the columns. Okay, so I was having more columns here actually. Here, no need to just to go like that. Like even we can scroll like this. Okay. Okay, so in that case, like I will make the Gantt chart like this, and then I can move like this using the horizontal scroll bar. So we can customize the column. For example, if you want to group something, how we can do? So go to project and custom fields. Project menu, custom fields option. Then it is a text only. I want to put. So you can also select any of this. Okay, to even you can use formulas. If you want to put number, then you can use the formula, your own formula to get your own values. Okay, now I will go for text alone. I will go to rename the text one, and I can go to location or responsibility. Then click OK. This is text. Okay, now I am going for none, right? None means like nothing will come, but that column we can able to have. Okay, so first of all, I will just put that column, responsibility column. See, it came. So responsibility, since none, nothing is coming. So we customized and created our own column. Now again, custom fields. Okay, now custom field. Now like I am going for a either formula lookup. For text formula, it will not work. So go to lookup function. See, lookup function in the sense you will get like this. Okay, value and description. Okay, for example, PKS. Only for just example, you can consider any name, whatever you want. PK Sharma, VBS, VB Sundar. Okay, ARS. Just I'm randomly putting the names. Okay, Shanmugam. Okay, then click close. Okay, this is lookup data similar to the Excel lookup. Then click OK. Okay, now only you are getting this option. You can able to select the responsible managers if you want. See, this might be PKS. This might be VB Sundar. For this purpose, like we are using. So now you understood, right? How to create our own customization of columns. Then like you can filter here. That is also possible. I want to filter only ARS. So you can see ARS responsible task. So only he's responsible third, ninth, and 10th column like this. Then like you can remove the filter. This is all similar to the Excel sheet only. Now got the point, na? That kind of customization. Shall we go for putting custom field for some indicator purpose and all? The same way, location, responsible manager, something like that you can put. Okay, now like I will go for custom fields again. Okay, now I will go for cost related thing. Okay, I will go for cost related thing. Okay, I will rename it. Okay, cost indicator. For example, I will put cost indicator. Then click OK. Okay, that it will be like we can able to select here as usual, like what we did before. Cost indicator. So it will come cost one. Okay, but it is showing zero since we selected cost now. That's why it's showing like this. Then we can able to go for custom field, and it's none, right? But what we can do means like I can go for a value to display graphical indicator. When you go for graphical indicator, then we can able to go for mm, equals, and then I am just putting a baseline cost. Okay, baseline cost. Then I can just put some images. So only these things you can able to put, which means like I can put either you can use this value or here also you can use. So it is something good only. Then like uh, then if it is like greater than baseline cost. Now I am putting this kind of concept. The same concept you can apply for whatever you want. Is greater than in the sense it's not good for the project. Then I can put this symbol. Is less than in the sense like I think the in that like we can put green and the equal in the sense yellow we can put. So this is for one example. The same way you can use whatever you want. I will just select the same green color and I will change there. So here I can put a yellow color, even that is having some numbers. Okay. Then click OK. Then click OK. Now it will not coming. So it's everywhere it is coming 0. It means like it's not 0. Everywhere it is showing it's okay, less than budget baseline. Okay, but why like this? Like you can custom it to the formula, then only it will be coming. Okay, so now you can see everywhere green color. Now I am going for formula. It's none in the sense like it is not showing anything, which means like only green. We can go to formula, click OK. Okay, then click formula. Then like what we need to do is cost indicator. I will put actual cost. Okay, you should not put directly. You need to take that from here. So you need to go to field cost field. So I'm going to put actual cost. See, it is coming automatically. There is some format. No need to type. So otherwise you can use all this to type also. But I am clicking OK. Okay, click OK. Then click OK. Now can you see like it's updated? So three things we are spending too much now. So that's why it is showing red color smiley. Everything else like it's showing green in the sense because like it's okay. It is almost equal to the baseline. Okay, but we gave yellow color now, but why here it is coming green color? Okay, equals to baseline cost is less than baseline cost. Actual cost is less than baseline cost only we are giving. Okay. Anyway, it was correct. This is not coming correct. So you need to change something to get it back. Now you got the concept of putting that kind of formulas now in that custom fields. Okay, what if we are putting just for just I will put something here and then like we can able to put 80. Actual cost we can't able to put because like when it is not started we can't put it. So what we can do means like here just try to put completed. Okay, just as that completed on 22. Then like it is coming. Now like you can able to put actual cost. So now you can see here. Now you can see it is like correct only na. See anything less than baseline, it's coming correct only. See if it is equals to 100, it is a yellow color. If anything less than that, green color. Yeah, whatever we gave condition, it's correct. You got the point, na? So if I am putting here like 80, then again that also green color. See 0 or 80, which is less than the baseline cost. That's why green color. Otherwise, like if you're not updating anything, it's yellow color, which means like equal to means like we gave that kind of option. So everything from the custom fields. because like here we have the options for it. Okay, this is responsibility. Again, you can select the cost thing to cost. Then you can see the graphical indicator. Now you understood now equals to, greater than, less than. So whatever we are giving, it is coming automatically. So whenever unnecessary columns not needed, you can hide it and then you can able to just take it back and compare it. So with these inputs, like you can do well with your projects. Okay.